Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Well, I know Montessori materials are very expensive to buy, but I'm also glad to tell you I'll be showing you some DIY Montessori materials. Yes, Montessori materials that are right inside your house as I speak. So let's get started. This is the Montessori Spindle Box containing 10 compartments with 45 spindles. Here I have my 45 spindles made from bamboo skewers. Put inside a cardboard box are my own cardboard spindle box. Get a cardboard box and cut to your desired length. Make 10 cuts on the cardboard. Stick with glue the cardboard with 10 cuts to another cardboard. Cut out 10 cardboard cards and stick in between to create a compartment each. Print out numbers 0 to 9 and stick to the cardboard. For my spindles, I used 45 bamboo skewers. Spindle box is a math exercise. The directress picks up a spindle in her right hand and places it in her left hand. Clutch the spindle for muscular impression of quantity and say 1. Have the child read it and ask the child to place the spindle in the compartment. Follow this order until all the spindles have been placed. Return to the first compartment to introduce the child to the concept of 0. We say to the child, 0 means nothing, and that's why the compartment has nothing in it. To further reinforce the concept of 0, we can ask the child to clap 5 times, clap 3 times, and clap 0 times. This is a practical life exercise. The name of the exercise is called Transferring Grain with a Spoon. You need 2 identical bowls, one half filled with grain, a tray, a spoon, and a table mat. This exercise is done from left to right, the bowl with grain on the left side. The directress should transfer the grain with a spoon from left to right so that the child has full view of the presentation. The exercise is aimed to teach the child how to properly use a spoon, and it's also aimed to develop the child's eye-hand coordination, independence, fine motor control, and concentration. When few grains are left in the bowl, tilt slightly and scoop the grain. Never turn over the bowl and pour grain into the other. When you're done with the presentation, take the spoon out of the bowl and invite the child to do the exercise. Here is a song to go with the exercise. I spoon the rice from left to right, left to right, left to right. I spoon the rice from left to right without a spill. The left-hand bowl is empty now, empty now, empty now. The left-hand bowl is empty now. The task is done. This is Montessori number cards and counters, used to introduce the concept of odd and even numbers to the child. A box containing 55 small green round counters and another box containing solid wooden green painted number cards from 1 to 10. This is my own number cards and counters. Printed out on a white paper and glued to a white cardboard is my own cut out numbers 1 to 10 in red color, and I also have kept inside a plastic box my own 55 small red round buttons. The exercise is aimed to give the child further practice in counting, to teach the child correct order of numbers, and also to introduce the concept of odd and even numbers. For the full presentation of this exercise, please check our video on number cards and counters. On my right, I have Montessori Sandpaper Numbers consisting of 10 green cards with cut-out sandpaper numbers 0 to 9, and on my left I have teacher-made Sandpaper Numbers. To make the sandpaper numbers, you need a pair of scissors, a ruler, a red marker, a bottle of glue. Now, cut out 10 pieces of green cardboard paper. Print out the numbers 0 to 9 on a white paper using a bold font. If you don't have a printer, you can carefully cut out the numbers as I'm doing and trace them onto the sandpaper. Cut the sandpaper numbers and stick them with a glue onto the green cardboard paper. The objectives of this exercise are showing the child how to trace the numbers on the sandpaper, learning to count from 1 to 9, making the appropriate association between written symbols and spoken word, preparing the child for the association of quantity and numbers. For more on the presentation of the Sandpaper Numerals, please check my videos on Sandpaper Numbers. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. And please drop a comment. See you all in my next video. Bye.